Our first airline that's ready for takeoff is Speed King. Subscribe to our channel for lots of fun videos posted every day. Hey, lots of toys fans, it's Miriam. I have a very fun video for you today. Not only are we going to open a die-cast action play set, this is an airport set that has a lot of fun pieces. We're also going to be opening some surprise Spider-Man eggs, and we have a full basket of them. There are 18 in here, and they do include candy. So stay tuned until the end of our clip as we will open each and every one of these 18 Spider-Man eggs, including one toy surprise in one of the eggs. But first, let's go ahead and take a look at our playset, at our airport playset. It includes figurines as well as planes and vehicles. Here we are at the airport. We have all our crew with us. Our planes are getting ready for takeoff. Our first airline that's ready for takeoff is Speed King. And this is a super fun airplane. It has 4 engines. This is die-cast material. It does have plastic parts, so it's a combined die-cast and plastic. And it's super duper fun. Our first man on the job is the ground handler. He's actually going to direct traffic on the ground. He has his pallets here so he can direct the airplane. Looks like Speed King is ready to take off. Next in line to take off is Air Superplane, or A-OK. He's getting the all clear signal to move forward. Speed King Air has taken off. A-OK Air has taken off. We had better set up our signs. Touchdown for Speed King. Here comes the refueling truck. This plane is going to need some gas. Our fuel truck is ready to service the plane. This truck is part of DFS International. Next up we have this truck, and this is going to bring the snacks and the food to load on the planes. We also have a ladder truck included. This is important as passengers need to get on and off the plane. Included in the collection is this truck. This brings all the luggage to be loaded onto the plane. Here are the people that work at the airport. We have a pilot, a flight attendant, and a fighter jet pilot. Other accessories included in the collection are cones, barrels, signs, lots of them, as well as trees. And now we're going to open our Spider-Man surprises, our fun 18 eggs. Be sure to stay tuned because we do have a toy in one of the eggs and we don't know which one it is. What are we going to get? So let's go ahead and open up our package here. This is exciting. I love this fun basket that holds everything together. Here's our first egg. Oh, look at this. We got some lemon heads. This is the tropical one. Next up, we have this fun Spider-Man egg. Look at this. What do we have in here? Oh, another lemon head. This is the fruit mix. Here's a yellow one. Which lemon head fruit mix are we going to get? Let's see. Oh, look at this one. The berry awesome. We have more Spider-Man eggs to open. Here's the next one. Ooh, look at this. I think this is one that we've had before. The fruit mix. Do you love lemon heads? What's your favorite flavor? Be sure to write your comment down below. Here's the next Spider-Man egg. Which flavor are we going to get this time? Another fruit mix. Awesome, I love those. My favorite is actually the, let's see, did we get one? Yes, the tropical one. That's my favorite. Here's a blue Spider-Man egg. This looks awesome. Wonder what flavor of lemon heads are we going to get this time? This is the tropical, my favorite. We have a full basket of more eggs to open. Look at this. A lot of yummy goodies in here. A green one. Oh, this is a new one. We haven't seen this one. It's a tropical one, but it has blue and pink ones. So different tropical mixes. Here's a fun red one. And this time it's another fruit mix, but we have lemon and orange. Be sure to stay tuned because we do have a toy in one of the eggs and we don't know which one it is. These are so fun to open, I love it. This is a fruit mix with the reds, so the cherries and the lemons. This one is the same thing. Oh, this is the berry awesome. A lot of berry flavors in there. Look how many we've opened so far. We have more. What are we going to get in this one? The fruit mix, but we have apple, orange, and this black one. Here's a yellow one. Ooh. This is the berry awesome again, and it has blue, so probably blueberries, and this is red. We have just a few more. And fruit mix. Apple, oranges, and cherries. Berry awesome again. And this one, let's see. Tropical. A lot of fun flavors in here. We're getting to the end of our basket. Let's see, what is this? A tropical one again. Yum, orange, apple, and blueberry. And this one, this is a tropical, but it has that pink surprise. Also the blue and the red flavors. It has the pink one, so that's probably lemonade. The red and the blueberries. The red is probably cherry. And our last egg. And this one is really special. I've actually put a toy in here. So what do you think we're going to get? Would you like to take a guess? Be sure to write your comment down below before I open it up and tell me What do you think I've hidden in here? What surprise besides the lemon head? Are you ready? Oh yes, look at this. It's a Lego figurine and he's a pilot. Just in theme with our airport. And then we have a lemon head, and this time we have the tropical one. So it includes a lot of apples and blueberry one. Super fun, look at all these eggs we've opened. We did have one toy surprise and lots of lemon head candies included. Lots of different flavors. Let's try one. Here's the tropical one of my favorites. And I love lemonade, so look at this. I'm gonna try it and see how it is. So yummy. Definitely lemony. That's it for us, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe and watch more by clicking the I above.